Guys, welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. These are the paints I'm going to be using today. Right there I have lime green, I have dark blue, I have silver, I have dark red and titanium white. Now these paints are actually from Liquitex Basics. What I'm trying to do is I am trying to make some paintings that I will be using for my embellishing. So I will be embellishing these paintings once they dry. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just pouring the titanium white in the middle of the canvas. Then I will use the other paints to do a puddle pour on top of this white paint. And once that is done, then I will wait for this painting to dry. Then I will come back with my embellishing. But the embellishing part of this painting, this is just the background painting. Then I will make another video showing you how I embellish it with my stencils. So thank you so much for being here, and I will show you how this turns out at the end of this video. And I appreciate your help and your support of watching my videos. I'm not sure if I mentioned to you guys, but I actually got monetized as of June, I think it was June 21st. My channel has been monetized, and for those of you who don't know what monetization means, is you partner with YouTube, and that means that you can start making money. There's a whole lot of benefits in that, in the monetization program. So but the requirements are very, very stiff. I mean, you have to have 4,000 hours, 4,000 watch hours. Your channel must have 4,000 watch hours within a year, and that is within 365 days, and 1,000 subscribers. But the subscribers, you don't have to really have them within the year. You can have subscribers over a long period of time, but the hours, the 4,000 hours, they must be within the 365 days. So as you can see, guys, starting a YouTube channel and starting a YouTube channel and succeeding and getting monetized, it's possible. So if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel and have been skeptical, I mean, it can happen. You just have to be consistent with what you are doing, whether blogs or whatever, painting channels or whatever you're doing. You have to be consistent. You have to really engage with your community. You have to be consistent and post content that your viewers want to watch. And and the whole point of really having a YouTube channel is not my primary reason for this was not to make money. It's just basically to bring good content to my viewers. It was a long journey. It took me about 14 months to monetize my YouTube channel, but it's all because of you guys, and I appreciate you so very much. I really, really appreciate your support watching my videos and just liking, commenting. Just keep it up, guys. I really do appreciate that. And so watch until the end, and if you have any questions on how I mix these paints, You can check out video number 25, and I will go ahead and link it in the on the description below, or just on the cards location above. So send me a comment, a question, just ask me anything about these paintings that I'm using, how I mix them, or how you like the painting and all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you for being here again, and I will talk to you at the end of this video. God bless. Yeah, so this is part one of this painting, and as I had mentioned earlier, that I'm just trying to make a background so I can have something to paint, to use my stencils to make a design. Soon I will be painting over this painting with stencils and get a really good design, and yeah, keep an eye on that. It will be coming up soon, and yeah, thank you for being here, thank you for watching. This one is still drying, it's not completely dry, but it's looks like it's gonna dry exactly this way. So once I embellish it, I will post that video for you guys. Thanks for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.